Knowing how to love your friends is the most important thing. Let's all get up to some mischief. Together we can play and sing. No, he's nothing like a hippo, nor like a tall giraffe. He's like a dinosaur, and he really loves to laugh. Yes, here comes Tommy, our little Tommy. It's Tommy the Dragon and friends. Tommy, our favorite Tommy. It's Tommy the Dragon and friends.
Hiccup! Sometimes troubles and hardships come absolutely out of the blue. For example, when you're having fun. What a wonderful day for playing! Huh?
Oh, Andy laughs at anything he sees. If I showed a finger, you'd laugh.
The baby's fallen ill. Urgent help required.
Those are just hiccups.
Incoming data. What do hiccups mean?
Well, hiccups are when you hiccup.
How do we turn this mode off?
Last time I had hiccups, Mom did something special, but I don't remember.
Girls, I know how we can help Andy. We need to scare him. No.
We are ghosts! Mandy! Mandy! Mandy!
I don't hear any screams of dread or fear. Oh, where's Andy?
There he is!
Yep.
Water!
Executing command. Dory's ready to help.
Andy, poor thing. Nothing's working against his hiccups.
I think that's because we're bad at scaring. I suggest going to a spine-chilling place, a hair-raising land, which will give Andy the willies. To the world of magic bubbles, we'll set off without troubles.
Looks like a normal place. It's not scary at all.
No, 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 no.
What sort of child is he? He's not afraid of anything.
Andy, poor thing.
Water.
What did he say? Do you speak the baby language?
The dragon understands him.
Oh, now I see. The dragon was thirsty. That's why he was chasing us.
Do you think Andy can speak the dragon language?
Oh, the thing is that Andy was thirsty too. Oh, wow, no hiccups.
I remember. When I had hiccups, Mom gave me some water to drink, and it helped.
We were having fun with friends. Skip, jump, tra-la-la. Suddenly there was a problem. Skip, jump, tra-la-la. Suddenly there was a problem. Skip, jump, tra-la-la. What were we to do with him? Skip, jump, tra-la-la. How do we help him out?
Give him water, wake him up, and it will help him right away.
Skip, jump, tra-la-la. Real friends know just what to do. After that, hiccups didn't bother us. At least till the evening. Hiccup. Who's just hiccuped?
Andy? Nuh-uh. Poor little fish.
Drink Drinking water may help to stop hiccups. Task: to give water to a creature that lives in water.
But the fish lives in water anyway.
Program failure. Program failure. Program failure.
A song.
Until somebody came up with this system, I don't know how we lived before.
Personally, I'm nuts about music, but Andy seemed to be a true music lover.
Andy, good night. More. Andy, I've already sung this song for you 5 times in a row. Let's give someone else a chance to sing for you.
I'm a little hoarse today, you know, and I also ate too much jam.
Dory, maybe you?
Executing command. Singing mode enabled. Until somebody came up with this system. I don't know how we lived before. Oh! Are my lyrics correct?
The lyrics are correct, which can't be said about the notes.
What does a note mean?
It's like like this. Well, you'd better see it for yourself, huh? Andy, stay here. We'll be back singing. To the world of magic bubbles, we'll set off without troubles. This is where all notes come from. Look, Dory, in essence, notes are various sounds, some in high pitch.
La,
Ouch!
Others are low in pitch.
la.
Some sounds are very long. Others are short.
La.
Well, yeah, that's just something you can work on. Don't worry. Luckily, the harvest season is in full swing. We'll quickly pick the necessary notes in the forest, and then we'll make a song.
Bop, bop, bop.
Ah! Ah!
Oh, ah!
Ah!
Ooh, ah! Ooh!
Ah!
Ooh, ah!
Ow!
You guys, I think we're lost.
Yeah, but that's quite a haul.
We're still having trouble making a song.
Not a song. Not a song.
We probably don't have enough notes.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Who's messing with notes here?
Oh, this is a musician. He's the boss here, and he looks quite cross.
We are all so sorry, Mr. Musician. The thing is, we're looking for a song.
You'll never find a song with all that noise.
Then what could we find a song with?
With silence, of course. Sol, fa, mi, re, do. Well, let me hear it. The song you're looking for.
La la la, la la la, la la la, la la la.
La la la, la la la, la 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 la.
Ah, that's what it is. Me sharp. You won't make a good song if you sing all the notes in the wrong order, my friends. This is the song you're looking for, mi, fa, sol.
Dory, listen, enjoy, and learn.
Until somebody came up with the system, I don't know how we lived before. But the day came when someone invented the notes do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Notes up on top and notes down below, with a stem and a flag and a circle of black. Everything you hear and everything to hear, all written in notes, that's a fact. Before somebody came up with the system, I don't know how we knew where to go. But the day came when someone invented notes do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Is Tommy me the dragon not a genius music teacher? After Dory took just one lesson from me, she's better at the notes and music than me. Noisyland. We, the dragons, can easily fall asleep no matter what may be happening around us.
Noise level has been exceeded.
Andy, your yells and screams have even broken down Dory. And I'm louder than you.
Excessive noise level. Excessive noise level.
It's just unbearably unbearable. Go elsewhere and make as much noise as you want. Hey, I don't want to go there. To the world of magic bubbles, please go without me. This is Noisyland. You have to make noise here, and being silent is illegal.
Wow, sounds fantastic.
Tell me when you're tired of making noise.
Your chorus has jumped over the fence.
Oh, wow! Andy! Can you hear me well?
Critical volume level. Critical volume level.
And now let's make it louder! Oh, cool!
Where is Andy? I can't find Andy.
Oh, he is right here. Oh, he was just here a moment ago.
Andy's missing. Andy is missing.
Andy!
Andy! Andy! Andy! Andy!
What happened? Who? Why so much noise?
Tommy, seems like I lost Andy. Andy!
Nobody's gonna hear you amid such noise.
I can't believe he's gone missing. Will he stay here in Noisyland for good?
Attention, please. There's a strange boy waiting in the park near the fountain. He isn't making any noise. Noisyland is no place for such offenders.
Andy! Andy, my dear, we found you.
Go make some noise, quick! Otherwise you'll be expelled from Noisyland. You haven't tried everything here. There's plenty of squeakers, rattlers, and stuff.
You don't want to make noise? Even a tiny little bit? You don't say. To be honest, I feel like staying in silence too.
Amazing! Let's go back home. Rain!
It's rest hour.
With friends, it's fun to shout and play, to make noise, buzz, stomp, and knock. But we must be able to calm down at times, to bring our noise to a stop. You see, there is a time for rest, to help tomorrow become the best. The impossible. That morning, Mandy was struggling with the Earth's gravitational force.
Ouch! 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 Oh! Ouch!
Watch out, Mandy.
It's simply impossible, Dory. I will never, ever learn to ride a bicycle.
Of course you will, Mandy. You keep falling because the road is, look, bumpy. You just need a smooth road. Toyroy, to the world of magic bubbles, we'll set off without troubles. That's what I call a good road. It's as smooth as a desk.
Good afternoon. My name is Arrow the Plane, and I...
A real plane? That's dragonly unbelievable! Can we fly on you? Arrow, please? I've always wanted to fly on a plane.
Yeah, that's a hilarious joke. Fly on a plane, really? What seems so funny to you? Planes can't fly, remember? It's simply impossible.
Have you heard it too, Mandy? Huh.
Error. Actually, planes can fly. And they have 2 wings for flying.
2 wings? Those are just for decoration. La 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 la.
Have you seen a plane that cannot fly? Poor little thing.
Tommy, I know what we should do. La la la. Oh, it's such a pity that you, Arrow, cannot fly. The sky is so beautiful.
And so is the ground. Palm trees, palaces, elephants. Right below the horizon. Fancy to see it?
Yes, I'm dying to see it, but I can't reach that place. Of course you can, Arrow. It only takes courage to have your first flight. Stop mocking at me. Very funny.
It's possible for you to fly. Let me show you. Activating.
Dory, why didn't you tell us before that you can transform into a plane?
Nobody asked me.
Arrow, try to repeat after Dory. It's not working out.
Then we're going to lift you up. Toyroy boy?
Whoa!
Hey, it's working!
Wow, I'm in the air!
I'll build a jumping ramp.
Arrow, it's very simple. First, pick up speed, then you jump, and then you fly.
Pick up speed, then you jump, and then... Oh!
You fly.
Come on, cheer up, Arrow.
I'm sure there must be another way.
Oh, I remember that when my dad, Mom, and I were on holidays, our plane picked up speed before takeoff.
Oh, so that's why these roads are so smooth. Arrow, let's go. Run, boy, run!
No way! Don't even try to ask me. I believed you. And now my engine is almost broken, fallen into pieces, because I will never, ever see elephants. I won't survive another failure. Ah, listen, guys. Why don't we play tag together? Oh, Arrow, come on.
Brilliant idea, Mandy.
Oh, such a fascinating game. But why are you jumping, my friends? It helps us to run faster. Oh, then I'll also try jumping high. Help me! Help me! I don't feel the ground.
That's because you're flying, Arrow.
I am? Whoa! I am flying!
Stunning aerobatic maneuvering, Arrow.
Thank you, my friends. Now I'm planning a journey around the world. Elephants are waiting. See ya! And now it's my turn to learn.
Don't give up if something seems impossible. Just believe it and try many times. Miracles can happen with those who are strong. Don't despair and give yourself another chance. That day, we learned that often things which seem impossible turn out to be quite doable. And that if you don't give up, you're bound to nail it.
Oh.